Very good morning, students. Welcome to your economics class. Students, today I will solve the numerical question related to pie diagram. So the question number 12. A rupee spent on khadi is distributed as follows. Farmer 20 paise, gardener and spinner 24 paise, weaver 28 paise, washerman, dyer and painter 18 paise, administrative agency 10 paise, and the total is 100 paise. Okay, so we will solve these numerical questions. So first of all, students, we make a table like this. Okay, so first column for particular like farmer, gardener and spinner, weaver, washerman, dryer, and the second column we write the paise, that is distribution of rupee in all of these, and after that we will calculate degree of angle related to particular related to particular thing. Like for farmer 20 paise is there, so we multiply 20 paise into 3.6 degree. So as you know, student, the total of all angles is 360 degree. Okay, so first we will do that, we multiply all these particular things into 3.6 degree to calculate their angle. If we multiply 20 into 3.6 degree, the angle is 72 degree. Okay, so why we need this? We need this to draw the pie diagram. Okay, to draw the pie chart. Clear, students? So I already did this. Okay, so the angle of farmer is 72 degree, gardener and spinner 86.4 degree, weaver 108 degree, washerman, dyer and painter 64.8 degree, and the administrative agency, that is 10 into 3.6, that is 36 degree. After that I will draw a circle. Okay. Okay, so first of all I will draw a circle. Like this. Okay, now I made a line here. Okay, after that I will draw the angles. So first angle for farmer is 72 degree. First of all I place this D, okay, equal to this 90 degree line like this. Okay, and I mark a dot on the angle that is 72 degree. So 70 is here, next is 72 degree. Okay, so like this. So this is the dot, I match this. Okay, so this part of circle is denote 72 degree, and this denote for farmers. Okay, for making next angle I will place D on the next line, the angle which I made like this. Okay, yes, next angle is 86.4. So 80, next is 86. So I place a line between 86 and 7, dot between 86 and 7. In the next I attach this line like this. So 86.4 degree, this denote gardener and spinner. Okay, students, next okay, the next angle is 100.8. So 100 is here, 100.8. So 100.8 is before 110. Okay. So 100.8 degree. Okay. And this shows we were next angle 64.8 degree for washerman, dyer and painter. Okay, so I place a D like this. 64 degree. So 64 here. Okay, so this shows 64.8 degree and this shows washerman, dyer and painter. Okay students, and the remaining this part shows 36 degree, that is shows administrative agency. Okay, so this is how we draw the pie chart. Okay students, next question is question number 13. Okay, so the solution of this question students, in your book different sectors are given like agriculture, electricity, transportation and others. Okay, so in your question percentage of total investment in particular sector is also given like 21% is invested in agriculture, 27% invested in industry, 17% invested in electricity, 12% invested in transportation and 23% invested in others. So first we will calculate the angles of these particular investment like degree of angle. So we multiply 21 into 3.6 degree to calculate the angle, that is 75.6 degree. Okay, similarly we do the another one also, and the other percentage is 23 and we calculate the angle 23 into 3.6 degree, that is 82.8 degree. After that we will draw a circle to present this data in a pie chart. Okay, so circle is there. After that we need a line that is show 90 degree so that it will be helpful for making a first angle. Okay, so our first angle is 75.6. So 75. Okay, so 70 is here, 75. Okay, so 75 degree. Okay, so this denote agriculture, investment in agriculture. After that the next angle. Okay, so the next angle we made industry sector. So in industry 97.2 degrees the angle. Okay, so 97. So here is 97 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, 97 degree, and this denotes industries. Next is for electricity. For electricity 7 there is angle is 61.2 degree. Okay, so 61 is here. Okay, 61.2 degree. This denotes electricity. Next, for transportation, 43.2 degree. So 43 is here, 40, 41, 42 and 43. Okay. And the remaining portion is like this. Okay, so 43. So 43.2 degree denote transportation. Okay, and the remaining this denote 82.8 degree, which shows others. Okay students, this is how we make a pie chart. So this pie chart is related to question number 13. Okay students, you also add more colors in these areas. You also use different shades by using different colors. Okay, so that it will be look more attractive. Okay students,